Here's a quick disassembly and thread check on 2 Sovereign LPRs. This one's in decent shape, this one's in beat shape. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to disassemble it down to the Schrader valve. Schrader valve is in the base down here. This one is pretty gummed up. Using my needle nose to just grab onto my plunger. Ow. My plunger is stuck in there pretty well. There we go, there's my plunger. Now we can see my Schrader valve in the base. I don't have my Schrader valve tool here, so I can't take my Schrader valve out, but I can check my threads just like this. So my thread on my adjuster is 20, and my thread on my nipple on the back is 28. Now checking the outer diameters with my digital calipers. I can check my adjuster. It's about close to 3/4. So I guess it would be about 3/4 20. And checking my nipple. Nipple is close to 0.375. Let's look for differences between these two. So my adjuster cap, we can see this one has a little bit of a indentation on the top. On this one, my plunger comes right out, nice and smooth, just like that. Plungers look similar. This one's a little flared on the base, and we can see that the area around the Schrader valve, on the brass piece that holds the Schrader valve in, the area around it on the nicer one is a little milled out, which I would assume gives the LPR a little bit more volume. See the end of the Schrader valve there. So your plunger, as you screw in, it's a little bit more air into the Schrader valve.